How to transfer WhatsApp chats from iPhone to Android without cable. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So first of all, you need to open WhatsApp on your iPhone. Then make sure to log into your account. Go to settings at bottom right corner, then tap chats. Select chat backup. Now choose to backup all chats or export individual chats if needed. Then tap Backup Now to create a backup. On your Android phone, log into WhatsApp using the same phone number and email address. During setup, select the backup you just created to restore your chats. Make sure you have selected the correct backup date for a seamless transfer. And that's it, your chats will now be available on your Android device. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.